All right, guys, it's been a while. As you guys know, started a new job at Z1 Motorsports, so been a little busy with that, but got a lot of new things coming for both cars. Today, just a quick little video. Got me something I've been needing for a while. For the 300. So we're going to install these underbelly pans and get to it. Okay, so we have our front and rear, actually front and rear, with hardware. So let's get this started. Okay guys, so install is very straightforward. Mine didn't have the factory slash shield because my previous owner ruined it, and I actually had to extract the bolts in here because the heads were completely shaved off from it bottoming out. But you basically are going to remove the stock bolts and splash shield here. There are some spacers that are automatically built in, so these bolts are already installed, and then there are fasteners in the back that will slip over into those spots so that these bolt in, and then you'll remove the factory bolt from in here. They provide a longer bolt to go in, so that's your whole rear side. We'll do the front. It slips under and then over this, and then we'll connect to your factory slots there. But yeah, pretty straightforward. All right guys, and there you have it. Pretty straightforward. 3 bolts go in factory holes right there. Speed clips on the 2 ends right here. This is for the 99J spec bumper right there. And you're done. Front and rear, Zspeed, undershroud. Really simple install. Even if you're dealing with some nonsense from the previous owner, the bolts are super easy to extract. I mean, there's nothing really there, so just some needle nose pliers got them out. So awesome job. And hopefully this will take care of some of the blowback that's been getting up on the rear bumper from, you know, the fan kicking up dust and all of that stuff, and hopefully get better airflow. It's been a long time this car's needed it, so